Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sean Leo, an orthopedic surgeon passionate about helping people regain their confidence in movement. Today, I want to talk about something I hear quite often in the clinic. I felt a pop in my knee, but the pain went away, so I didn't think much about it. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. But let's take a closer look at what that popping sound could mean and why it's important not to ignore it. That sudden pop is often described as a snapping or tearing sensation inside the joint. It might happen during a sudden twist or pivot, landing awkwardly from a jump, or a direct blow to the knee. It's commonly associated with injuries such as anterior cruciate ligament or ACL tear, meniscal injuries, patellar dislocations, or sometimes cartilage damage. In many of these cases, the pop is followed by swelling within a few hours, stiffness, or that unsettling feeling that the knee isn't stable. Even if the pain settles after a few days, that doesn't always mean the joint has healed. Injuries like ligament tears or meniscus damage may continue to affect how the knee moves, and over time, this instability can lead to further strain on the surrounding structures, including the cartilage. That increases the risk of long-term joint issues, including early arthritis. Ignoring that initial warning sign can turn what might have been a simple repair into a more complex condition down the line. If you have experienced a popping sound in your knee and any of the following: you had swelling soon after, your knee feels unstable, especially when turning or going downstairs, you feel clicking, locking, or loss of motion, especially with pain, it's worth getting it properly assessed. A clinical examination and, if needed, an MRI scan can help us determine exactly what's going on and what the next most appropriate step will be. Here's the key: that pop might have just been your knee's way of signaling that something needs attention, and the sooner we understand what's happening, the better we can protect your long-term joint health. If your knee hasn't felt quite right since that moment, you don't need to wait it out. Let's take that first step towards clarity and recovery.